There's no more damaging formula than to mix emotions with money. Listen, we're made up of emotions. We have fear, we have stress. The trading checklist helps take that all away. And now, wow, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the ride. You might be completely foreign to technical analysis. You may not even know what a bullish engulfing candle is or a shooting star. That does not matter. The great thing about what I'm showing you right now is I'm taking 40 years of experience here and I'm breaking it down to 7 points that you can follow through a trading checklist. Look at any stock, any ticker symbol using the 7-point checklist that I have and determine who is in control of that price action. I'm AJ Monte and this is my 7-point trading checklist.